Good morning, everybody. How y'all doing this morning? How y'all doing this morning? How y'all doing this morning? Hey, welcome. I like to where's my mouse? I'd like to welcome you all to the overnight price action for September 21st, 2022. If this is your first time joining us here at the gang, y'all see Spidey back there. If your first time joining us here at the gang, I feel like I'm sitting weird. Let me fix my camera. Yeah, there you go. All right. It's your first time joining us here at the gang. Y'all see Spidey over there where he at. There you go. He's right there. I like to say welcome. If it's not your first time pulling up, and I'm pretty sure it's not a lot of you first time pulling up, I still like to say welcome. Hey, how you doing? If you don't know who I am, my name is Timothy Lee Rogers Sr. I get on Al Gore's internet every single day and talk about the price action. We do it one time in the morning at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We do it one time in the evening, usually at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time, but during football season, we're doing it at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time, and we just talk about the price action. I just try to share the thoughts of little Timmy Rogers. This little voice that lives inside my head, little Timmy Rogers, and I try to explain it the way that he see it in the hopes to make it clear or hopes to make the bell ring or somebody get that ha moment when it comes to they investing and trading. And I do it all for the free 99. Yep, you heard it right. I do it for the free 99 because I just want to show people what a full-time trader would do in any situation. Am I the best? Am I the worst? Raggy. I don't know, but I am a full-time trader. So I just get on Al Gore's internet and I share it the way that I see it. Shout out ICT. The stuff that I share on the internet is the stuff that I learned from ICT because he give it away for free. So all the stuff that I paid for, if I paid for a course, like I paid for courses from all kind of people. I paid for courses from Terry. I paid for courses from Jason. I paid for courses from Kiwanya. I paid for courses from everybody under the sun. If I paid for something, I don't share that on the internet. But all the stuff I share on the internet is the stuff that I learned for free. And it's the stuff that I use every single day. I paid a lot of money for a lot of stuff that I don't use anymore. Tito, get me a tissue. Hey, who remember that one? I know y'all don't remember that one. Tito, pass me a tissue. I know y'all don't remember where that one come from. Hey, I just ask that you hit the like button, man. Somebody hit the like button for me. Even you, hater. You hater. There's one hater that always hits the dislike button. If it was 20 dislikes, if it was 100 dislikes, I wouldn't care. But it's always you, that one hater that hits the dislike button. Why do you not like it? Am I not giving what I say I'm giving? Are we not talking about the price action? Why do you hit? Why? Just you. Why do you keep? Are you the porn site guy that I keep blocking? That's why you keep disliking my video. Are you the one who pulled up and let the bird out of the cage? Hey man, just hit the like button. That's all I ask you to do. I'm no longer on any other social media. The only thing that I'm on is YouTube. So the only way cousins gonna find out about this information is if y'all hit the like button and if y'all share it. And I appreciate y'all for doing that. What's going on? Let's see who in the chat. If you do want to support me in any kind of way outside of just pulling up and hitting the like button, you can go to thenewtlr.com and buy some merch. It's not a requirement. I appreciate all the family members that's been pulling up and shopping at the merch site. Much love. That is not a requirement. Just let you know that it's out there. But I do really want you to go support my son's music, man. Banjo by Il Jordan. That's his new album. His old album was called Abstract. This one right over here, it was called Abstract. He got a couple singles that he got up there, but his last album was called Abstract. That was from 2021. And his new album is called Banjo. Il Jordan on all streaming platforms. EELJODEM. Il Jordan, Banjo. I like Banjo. Abstract had a couple good songs on there, but I really like Banjo. He really did his thing. Go support my son music, man. Let's get into it. Hold on. I ain't even see who in the chat, man. What's happening? Hey, here to learn and share. Good morning to you. The birds are chirping. What's up, Sonia? What's going to cool it now? Ooh, watch out. What's up, cool it? Good morning, Mendez. Hello, Anna and Elsa and the Queen. Hello, how are you? What's up, Kevo? Tito, give me some tissue. Mags, what's up, Mags? What's going on, Lamar? What's happening, Seawalk? What's up, Stacks? Hello, Brittany. I haven't seen you in a while now. Were you still mourning the Queen? Did you attend the funeral services, Brittany? What's going on, Gabriel, Davario, Towns even? What's going on, Ramon? What's up, Valdez? What's going on, Regina? What's up, Omar? What's going on, Father of Legends? I salute you, my guy. His legacy. Okay, then. What is that? 7/2/39 to 8/15/17. I can't see the beginning of it. 59. Is that 59? 8/7 something 59 to 7. I can't see the dates on there. What's up, 2K Crypto? Hey, let's get into it, man. Y'all know what today is. Y'all already know what today is. Today is FOMC announcement day. Yeah, I figured that. I just couldn't make out the dates. I see it. I think like say 59. It say something 59. Look like it to what is that? August 15th, 2017. I can't make out the beginning. Yeah, that's what I figured. I figured it was for your pops. And use a legend. You feel me? Hey, let's go to econoday.com. For anybody who don't know about using econoday.com, this is my site of choice to get my economic calendar data. You just click on view full calendar and it lay it out for you 1 week at a time. Today is Wednesday, September 21st. This is what's going on today. We got existing home sales at 10 o'clock. We got the petroleum status at 10:30. We got the FOMC announcement at 2 o'clock. And then Fed Chair Powell, old Mr. Rummy Rome in the house. I said Jerome in the house. Watch your mouth in and out without a doubt. Look at my white shoes. Look at my white shoes. Hey, Fed Chair Powell gonna speak at 2:30. Today is a day that I would be very careful because the market like to act funny ahead of the Fed, and the market like to react when the Fed do what they do. So I would be very careful this day, today. I ain't even gonna hold you. I probably want him to trade today. Because I'm gonna be scared of any setup I see before 2, and then after 2, I'm probably gonna be taking a nap or forget to come back here again. But the consensus is 75 basis points on raising the interest rates. Everybody expecting the Fed to raise interest rates by 75 basis points, right? And then remember yesterday when I was talking about the target range of they percents, right? Right now, the consensus is the target range between 3 and 3.25. All of this stuff right here is important, right? Yeah, the raising of the rates is important, but the target level is important too. That's what I was talking about yesterday. You know what I'm saying? Watching what they say about the target level also, because anything above the 75 basis points, the algos gonna hate that. 75 basis points, the algos gonna be they're gonna be good with that. Anything below 75, the algos gonna love that. But I do not see below 75 because you know what I'm saying, how inflation is. They still talking about they got to be aggressive. They still talking about all this right here. So I don't see them going less than 75. That's highly unlikely. It's either 75 or 1 full percent. That's all I'm expecting. 75 or 1 full percent, right? Now, this target thing, right? If they start pushing this up, the algo's gonna hate that too. You know what I'm saying? If they start pushing this up, the algo's gonna hate that too. And you got other people from overseas that's been hitting them with higher interest rates than normal. I know, was it last month or last FOMC meeting or something, somebody in England or somewhere across the water, they raised theirs by higher than ever seen before. And then the other day, one of the cousins dropped in the chat that somebody had just hit them with, you know what I'm saying, like a 1.5 or 175, something that was like super high. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, hey, I wouldn't be surprised they hit us with something super high, but pay attention to what they talk about with this range, right? Because the consensus range is 3 to 3.25. You know what I'm saying? But if if they come out and say 350 to 4 or 350 to 375 or 4 to 4.25, you know what I'm saying, for the target level, and then they still do 75 basis points and they come out and change this, the algos ain't gonna like that either. You see what I'm saying? So just pay attention to all that. Go through and read this stuff, see what the definition of it is. Hit why investors care. That be on like everything that you go into with econoday.com. And then once this event happens, it'll be another column out here that says actual, and it'll tell you what happened during this event. That's on every event on econoday.com. That's our lesson on econoday.com for the day. Now let's get into it. Since we already in on Al Gore's internets, let's go over here and check out Spalene. Y'all sing it with me now. Spalene, where you at, baby? Here I go. There she go. Hey, Spalene, baby. Oh, Spalene getting ready to gap up. Spalene getting ready, looking like we're going to get a slight gap up, about a little over $2 at the point at this moment. We're getting a slight gap up. Yesterday, we're still in the consolidation range that we spoke about back at the beginning of September. We said that the market was going to push back up to this breaking structure right here, roughly around this area, to get back up into a premium for the run, for the whole rundown. That put us in a premium for the entire bull rally from the beginning and the confirmation. That put us back into a premium for the retest of the bull rally. And then we said it's going to come back up to this breaking structure, this fair value gap up into the premium, and then sell off and consolidate before FOMC. As you see, it played out exactly like we anticipated it to do. So we rallied back up to 411 and some change. 411.73 to be exact was the high, and then we sold back off, and then was the 16th. Last Friday we got back to the same the top of the sloppy consolidation area between June and July. We got back down to that area right there on last Friday. And then Monday, we stayed in the same spot. Tuesday, we stayed in the same spot and ran sell side liquidity on external sell side liquidity toward the end of the day. Now, we just broke external sell side liquidity, and then looking like we've come up and delivered it. We're about to deliver it to some external buy side. What's that high? 386.12. Yep, we in the pre-market, we have taken this external liquidity, daily external liquidity. Don't mind this daily box right here. I'm talking about on the as far as, you know, the small range we looking at with the cause on the ES, the boxes are a little different. Like this is our weekly box on the ES, but when we did the way back monthly view, right, these are the daily levels from when we did that Saturday. What's the name? But remember, I told you be a box and a box and a box and a box. But we just got our boxes a little bit bigger on the SPY. You know what I'm saying? On the ES, the top of this daily box right here is our weekly box, and then our daily box is like down here somewhere on the ES. But anyway, as you see, we broke that high in the pre-market. So we delivered to external yesterday, and then we came up here on this daily candle and we just poked to external up there on the SPY. So let's see how that play out. Let's go over to the ES and see what's going on with that. Okay, we got our daily box a little bit higher. We got our daily box on not yesterday's top, but Monday's top. Monday. Monday. Oh yeah. I'm tripping. You tripping, Tim. It's we got longer candles. We got more time on the ES than on the SPY. Y'all forget about everything I just said. That's true on the SPY. See, we took out yesterday's high on the SPY in the pre-market, right? But with the ES, like it's got overnight trading. So the candle is a little bit bigger for the ES. See, the candle is a little bit bigger for the ES because we got a longer trading period. That's why our line is a little bit higher on what's the name? Got it. Now I'm tracking. Now I'm making sense to myself. Now let me help unconfuse everybody that I just confused. Let me put this over here to today. Now for everybody who I just confused, right? This was yesterday's close. And this right here, this candle right here is the New York Open. And as you see, we just traded above that right there. So on the SPY, this is the top of the daily candle on the SPY right there. And as you can see, we are above it in the pre-market. So on the SPY daily candle, this right here is external liquidity. And this right here is the sell side that we broke yesterday. We broke the sell side external, and we have come back and delivered it to external liquidity on the SPY thus far. But on the ES, with the way the candles are running, this is still internal buy side, right? So hopefully I have thoroughly unconfused everybody that I confused. As you see throughout the night, we consolidated through the Asian, opened up the midnight at 38.79.75, traded back down into a 15-minute fair value gap, right down here in this area. Y'all see it, made an overnight low of 38.54.75. Y'all got me talking too much, man. I never sound like this until I start talking on YouTube. I think I might need to take a hiatus. I'm just playing. I'm not going to take a hiatus. I'm just messing with y'all. I'm just messing with you. Sell side liquidity. Copy, paste. Copy, paste. Copy, paste. This is internal. So it's lowercase SSL. Get out of that capital L. Okay. So we got overnight low of 38.54.75. We traded back down into this fair value gap. Did I say fair value gap last time? 15-minute fair value gap. I can't remember what I said. And then we got a ping out, right? We took off. So we swung down, took off. This right here, these three down close candle potential order block. We traded back down into it on this down close candle right here. Went about 50% of that range. Let's check that and see if it did act. In fact, right there, boop, came just short of 50% of the entire range when you look at the bodies of the candles, right? If you look at wick for wick of the candles, still a little short of the range. But looking at the bodies of the candle, we came about halfway right back to the New York close to yesterday, wicked up off of it, right? So I will be paying attention. We came down, got this we got this internal liquidity at this hourly fair value gap. We came down into this internal liquidity right here at this 15-minute fair value gap, and then took off. We're gonna drop lower to see what we took off of over here. Let's look to the I was trying to see if it's something that we took out that we respected over there on that end. On that end, that's the same area. God dog it. Come on. I hate when it be doing that. It won't stretch out. That's an old order block over there. Nothing to look at right there. Nothing to see here, people. Okay. And then so what I will be watching for right now that we have delivered to this buy side liquidity, right? Now on the SPY, right? This is like external and external on the SPY, but on the ES, this is the external portion of this. So we took external sell side and we just delivered to 2 internal buy sides on the ES, right? On the SPY, we've taken external sell side and delivered to external buy side on the SPY, right? So let's see if we continue up. What we looking for, what I'm looking for right now is that this down close candle right here, I want to see if it's going to act as a order block. And the reason why I'm looking at that is because we traded back down into this order block right here, and then we got another violent move off of it and got a break in structure. You know what I'm saying? We got internal liquidity, blast off, right? Traded back down into this order block right here, 3 candle order block, traded back down into that 3 candle order block, respected 50% of the order block, blast off again, giving this a greater potential to act as an order block also, because we traded down into an order block and then got another violent move up. Now I'm looking for it to come. If it start to come back down after taking this buy side liquidity, I'm looking to see if this order block holds up right there. If that order block holds up, that's what I'm looking for. I'm anticipating that order block to hold up. That's a 60-minute order block. Change this to dark orange. Push this out. Push this out of my way so I can. Oh, I forgot to make that a solid line. Order block's supposed to be solid. I need to just make what's the names on that. So I can move this right here. This buy side liquidity has been taken. The market getting ready to open up in 6 minutes. I can these are equal highs. We setting equal highs. So that's another indication that this order block may hold up, because as of I really don't even want to set this right now, because we still we got 25 minutes. We got 34 minutes left in this hour. So if we don't get any higher than this, these are going to be equal highs right there at 38.96.50. Those going to be equal highs. If this hourly candle pushes back down and don't make a new overnight high, the overnight high right now is 38.96.50. If we don't make a new overnight high, we just keep pushing back down. That gives me more reason to suspect that this order block is going to hold, because we traded down into this order block, got a nice propulsion off of it, and then when we broke structure, we're about to set equal highs right here in this hourly imbalance. And so I will be looking for it to come back down and this hold, and then push back up to take out these highs and maybe even take out this buy side liquidity right there. But let's see how that play out. The market about to open up in 4 minutes. Yes, 4 minutes. The market about to open up in 4 minutes. I think that's all I have. What will break my thesis of it coming up to get this buy side is if we push back down and this order block, the rest of this order block don't hold. If we push down and get past this order block here and take out this sell side, then attacking this buy side right now is out the window for me. If if this order block fails, right, then I'm looking to see if this order block fail, right? Because it is like right now it's setting up equal highs, order block off of an order block over here. It's setting up to go up in my mind, right? Off of this order block right here. If you take it off this order block, keep a tight stop below this the low of this candle right here at 38.78. 38.78. I like to go 1 point down, so let's say 38.77. 38.77 plus 5, that'll be, did I say 70? Yeah, that'll be 38.82 for me. So 38.82 would be the yeah, boom, the lowest that I can get into that at right there, 38.82. That's a little bit past 50% of that body of that candle, but that's the soon as I would be able to get in that to try to go long. Anyway, that's all I got. Let me see what y'all talk about in the chat. Again, we got FOMC, so I probably won't do no trading today. But that's just the setup that I'm that I see for the morning. That's what I'm looking at. I like to, oh, I didn't even set my London. Before I go to the chat, let me set my London. We opened up at 38.64.25. 38.64.25 was the London open. The London London took out some set. Oh, I'll put a drop lower to see what we ricocheted off of in the London. Let's see what we ricocheted off of in the London. This order block right here. We came back down to the order block that we set yesterday on the 1445 candle. Came back down. That I said a fair value gap. I'm tripping. I don't even know my own lines no more. It's a solid line on there. So that's an order block. The fair value gaps have a dotted line. I know y'all probably can't see the difference, but that's an order block. It's a solid line on there. I'm tripping. How I put a solid orange line on this one. Solid orange mean order block. Same color dotted mean imbalance. So this is a 60-minute imbalance. This is a 60-minute order block. You know what I'm saying? I'm tripping. I don't know how I didn't even see that. Looking into that area right there, we got a fair value gap in that same area of the order block right there. 15-minute fair value gap in the same area of that order block. We got 15-minute sell side liquidity just below midnight. And that would be the wick. I think that's the wick of the order block right there. The market is open. Look like the market is open. We just pushed up and took out the equal highs without coming back down. We just took out the overnight high. We took out the equal highs off rip. We didn't even come down to do it. We didn't come back down to this 15-minute fair value gap. The order block, we still pushing up. They like, forget you, pint. Forget your retracement, pint. Be careful out there. Let me see what y'all talking about in the chat, man. What y'all talk? I'm put the link in the chat one more time for anybody. If anybody want to pull up and ask anything, anybody want to pull up and share anything, I'll put the link in the chat one more time. The market is literally saying, forget your retracement, punk. As y'all see, we have got the wax on for the 1 hour fair value gap over here. We have got the wax on. We are a stone's throw away from this potential order block right here. This up close candle before this violent move down. We're a stone's throw away from that. Shout out ICT, man. Let me now that I'm talking about this right here, I'm glad I looked at that right there. Then I'm looking at the chat. I promise y'all. Shout out ICT, right? When I've been going back and studying. Shout out to nephew Quanny. Quanny always be talking about market maker sell models, market maker buy models, and I've been going back and like just really studying that stuff. And shout out ICT, man. I was looking at the during the core content, man, ICT dropping videos like Prince albums, man. It's like I don't even try to keep up with his upload schedule. I just go back and study the videos and until I get stuff ingrained in my head. And I was going back looking at one of the videos about oh no, I came across one of the videos talking about market maker buy models and market maker sell models, right? And he was talking about reclaiming the order blocks, right? Oh man, this was a gem. This was a gem to me, and I just want to share it with y'all because I just saw it the other day. I saw it the other day, and then I think it was yesterday. I was looking at the video again because it was such a gem to me, right? But it like looking these 15-minute candles, but everything is fractal, right? So peep it, right? We coming down over here, right? We set, let's just say we ain't even gonna pay attention to this side over here. We ain't gonna pay attention. Well, we can pay attention to this side too if you want to, but right now I'm looking at this side over here, right? We coming down, right? So let's just say we looking at this right here. We sell down, right? We come up, we got a order block right here. This we're gonna look at these two up close candles right here, right? Come up, boom. Order, I'm gonna draw, y'all. If y'all don't want to see me draw, have a nice day. Please hit the like button on your way out the door. But I'm finna draw. I feel like drawing. I feel like drawing tonight. Like drawing tonight. Who know where that came from? Who know where that came from? It ain't drawing though. I feel like drawing tonight. Like drawing tonight. I feel sometimes I be feeling like the cable guy. I be singing so much stuff off of TV and stuff like that. I feel like drawing tonight. Come here. Get on this screen. Let me share the other screen. Stop sharing. I wish it was a way to share like multiple screens. What I could do is just do it from the tablet, but then y'all be like looking at the top of my head like this right here the whole time. Or I could just hold the tablet up like this and look down like that. I could do it like that, just share it. But the tablet's so small. Nah, I can't do that. Y'all know my old man eyes ain't gonna let me do that. I ain't even gonna hold you. This tablet's so small. I'm struggling right now. I'm struggling to see this right now. I really want to go get my glasses. I am gonna go get my glasses. Hey, I'm about to go get my glasses. If y'all gonna leave because I'm going to get my glasses, thank you for stopping in. Please hit the like button. I'll be back for the rest of y'all that's gonna hold on because I can't see that. Hey, how you doing? Sorry you couldn't get through. I'm back. Appreciate y'all for hanging out. We came down past that fair value gap. Didn't quite get back to the order block. We didn't get back to the order block. We came down to that fair value gap and wicking off of it. Let's see how that play out, man. We did come up, take out the overnight high, got in, filled this daily fair value gap. Didn't quite get into that order block either, right? We kind of in between two worlds. We're in between two worlds right now. Man, the way we wicking out both sides, boy, we acting like some kind of news came out. Well, yeah, look at that. We got a wick to the top and a wick to the bottom. You know what I'm saying? We took out that swing low, took out those equal highs. We took out both sides and filled that fair value gap right there. We got a breaking structure, fair value gap right there, took it out. Didn't quite come back to that breaking structure. Anyway, let's get to drawing, man. Let's get to drawing. Now, what was I saying? What was I talking about? What was I talking about before I went and got my glasses? Do anybody remember what I was talking about? I am in information overload. ICT is dropping an entire month. Oh yeah, don't hey Rhonda. What's up, Rhonda? When you pulled up? Hey, what's up, Trey? What's going on? I forgot I was supposed to be going through the chat and hollering at y'all, man. What's up, Edwin? What's up, Lil Hope? What's up, Travis? What's happening, man? Yeah, you know what? I don't try to keep up. I don't try to keep up. I just go back and I review the videos and I just look at videos over and over and over until I like completely understand it. That's it, because I'm a visual learner. ICTM. Thank you. Okay. Here we go. Y'all see me? Yes, y'all can see my mouse moving around. Okay. So what I was saying was, oh yeah, right. So this right. Oh, come on, man. What are you doing? This right there, that's an order block. See, OB. A is who was that? Who was that last night with the OD? I can't remember who that was. Tanya had I think that was Tanya that. So that right there is an order block, right? So then we coming. That right there is an order block. And if you don't know what I'm looking at the up close candles, right? The up close candles on the move down, right? That's an ugly B. I jollipize if I offended anybody when I said that. That's hideous. Right. So this was the gym in the gym. And then we went down. We had another one there. Right there. So boom. So here we go. We set this low. We came back up to that order block right there. And we pushed down and we set this low right here. Right. We set this low right here. Now, this is the gym in the gym. Right. This is the gym in the gym that ICT had dropped. Right. See how we coming down, and we got all these order blocks as we coming down. As we selling down, right? The big boys are getting into trades that make a short pop up, right? Got into a trade, made a short pop up, right? Got into a trade, made a short pop up. Got into a trade, made a big pop up. Stopped at that order block, right? Pushed back down, made a low. We consolidating. Boom, 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 boom. Consolidating. Now, when we start going back up, right? When we start going back up, be looking for the market to reclaim these order blocks. Come back up, take the order block, push up. Come back up, reclaim the order block, push up. Come back up, reclaim the order block, push up. Come back up, reclaim the order block. You see what I'm saying? That was the gym inside the gym that he gave. You can anticipate the market coming up, right? Coming up and reclaiming the order blocks. Come up, come back down, reclaim the order block. Let me get some of this stuff out of the way. Right? Draw the order blocks out in time. Right? Come up, pass the order block, come back down, reclaim it. Right? See, right now, we at the point now where we trying to reclaim. We at the point now where we trying to reclaim this order block. See what I'm saying? We right there now where we trying to reclaim that order block, right? Watch then expect it to go up, get above this order block over here on the downside, and then reclaim the order block there, pop up above this order block here, come back down, reclaim that order block there, pop up above this order block here, come down, reclaim that order block, then deliver to the external. That was the gym inside the gym, inside the gym, inside the gym that I learned about the market maker, buy models and sell models, where you look at the left side of the model and look at like the order blocks on the left side of the model and watch for them to reclaim them on the right side of the model, right? The same thing, just like when we was going up right here, right? We was going up right here, and then we got this area of an order block right there, extended out in time, right? When we came down to that order block, we reclaimed it and sold off right there. See, let me get this junk out the way. Get out the way, junk. Right? This order block right here reclaimed that order block right there. Right? We're going up. We set the order block. We set the order block going up. As we came down, we sold through. We sold down to the order block. We didn't really get through at that time, but we got into order. We got into shorts, popped it up a little bit, but we reclaimed this order block right there. Boop, boop. Then we sold it off. Bye, y'all. Right? Pop back up to, matter of fact, hit that same order block again, but we got one there. Boom, we hit that same order block again, and this one. This little area here, look at them. We hit both of those on that one now. Popped up, sold off just a little bit because why? We had to made a good bottom, pop back up to this order block, and then sold off again. You see what I'm saying? But on the way down, we only had one order block to reclaim. We were setting order blocks over here, but we didn't have any order blocks to reclaim on this side, right? But as we came down, when we got to this order block, we popped up, reclaimed it, went down, popped up again, reclaimed that, actually used that order block, then pushed down and made the low below these lows over here, ran this liquidity, and then now we coming back up and we're starting the ascend. What's the word I'm looking for? Back up. But that is the gym in 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 the gym that I got from looking at the market maker, sell and buy models. That's the gym in 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 the gym. I don't know why I'm hitting the undo to a rhythm. I could have just deleted the whole thing, but I want to sit there and just hit the undo to a rhythm. Let's see what we're doing. We still going back and forth in the same little spot. Hey man, I think that's all I got. I hope y'all appreciate that, man. I don't know if y'all saw that video or not, but that's the one I just looked at it again yesterday. I saw it the other day and I went back and looked at it again yesterday. Oh, I'm sharing that screen. I'm like, man, what is going on? I can't find. Y'all see how y'all can see my my mouse on the screen? I'm looking at the screen that I'm trying to move. I'm looking at the screen. I'm moving the mouse on, but it's actually that the mouse is down here. So I'm sitting up here trying to grab. I'm trying to grab the top of the box like this. Where I'm like, why is it not moving? Why is it not moving? But I'm looking at the other screen that is on. Y'all, man, y'all don't get it. Y'all don't get it. I'm looking at the screen that, yeah, forget it. Hey, get over here. Get over here. Put you up there. If ain't nobody got nothing, man, we gonna call it. If ain't nobody got nothing, we gonna call it. If I appreciate y'all for hanging out with me. I appreciate y'all for hanging out with me. I'm looking at the chat. I'm looking at the chat right now to see if anybody pop anything in. Let me go see if I can see what the name of that videos was real quick. And if ain't nobody on to put nothing in the chat by the time I find that video, then we're gonna go ahead and call it. Let's go to the U of the tubes. I did not know China and her sisters could sing. I just found this out yesterday. Man, those young ladies can sing. I just found that out yesterday. Call me an old man if you want to, but okay. I see Tizzle. Breaker, Rejection, Reclaim. It's ICT core content month 4, reclaimed ICT. Y'all see how far back I am? Like all the videos I've watched got like red lines up under them, right? They got red lines up under them. Y'all see how far back I am? What I do, I've came all the way up to here, right? If it's something that was like a super gem or I really don't understand it, I'll just go back and look at that video over and over and over until it click in my head. You know what I'm saying? And it's let me make sure it's this one here.
Look, if you're a Forex trader, we're guaranteeing that we can help you pass a prop firm challenge.
Shut up. Yes, this is it. This is it right here. So ICT core mentorship content month 4, reclaim ICT order blocks. This was the one that I was talking about right here. When he draw it out, see how he draw it out like that right there. And then he talked about coming down, setting the order blocks, and then coming back and reclaiming the order blocks. And he draw it out and he show it like in the price section over here. He showed it. See, he showed in the price section like this right here. Oh, I'm going too far. He showed in the price section where you had an order block right here, right? And then you traded down and you traded up past it. Then you came back down and reclaimed that order block right there, right? You reclaimed that order block. Then you had a big order block right here and you pushed up past it. Then you came down and you reclaimed it right there. You reclaimed that order block right there and pushed up. That's what, you know what I'm saying? This was the video that I was talking about when I was like, it was a gem and a gem and a gem. When he break down the market maker, buy model, and sell models. And he talk about looking at the left side of the model and then watching the right side of the model to reclaim the order blocks. And this is the sell model. And then on the buy model, he talk about looking at the left side of the model and watching the right side of the model to come back and reclaim the order blocks. And that's how you can target your entries to go along with the big boys. Like the big boys may be, you know what I'm saying, going short all the way down here, right? But we can't afford to go short all the way down like them right there. And then they coming over here and going long, or they may be going long, like it's selling down, but they going long, right? And then come over here and whatever they doing. I can't remember how he worded it, but they doing something coming down here, and then you can capitalize off, okay, they did something over here. I'm gonna get along for the ride over here. Come over here when it trade back down to this area here, go long. You know what I'm saying? Come over here when it trade back down to this area over here, go long. When it trade past this right here and it come back down to this area over here, go long. That's how you can piggyback with the big boys to anticipate when you want to get into the positions. I just thought that was a beautiful gem and a gem and a gem and a gem. You know what I'm saying? Cause looking at this price action right here, right? Just say you can't even see. You really can't even see none of these candles over here. But if you look back and pay attention to when you was coming down, when you was coming down on the sell side over here, you say, okay, we set an order block over here. So now on the buy side, when we get back up to where we set this order block, I can anticipate price to come back down into this old order block, and I can go long over here with the big boys because I know they're gonna be going long until they come and complete this buy model. You know what I'm saying? I can go long with them right there. Boom, go long with them there. Then they go another order block over there. So when you go up past it, go past the order block and it come back down, boom, go long with them over there. You know what I'm saying? Is it gonna be 100%? Ain't nothing 100%, but this is how you can anticipate, you know what I'm saying, following the big money. Man, this ICT stuff work, man. Y'all stop playing with this man. Y'all stop playing with this man. I just thought that was a gem inside a gem inside a gem inside a gem. You hear me? Hey, man, I appreciate y'all for hanging out with me. Hey, you very welcome, Nathan. You are very welcome, Nathan. I thank you for pulling up. Nathan, go cool. Okay, then. That's a cool last name. Go cool. I know I probably said that wrong, but that's how I'm gonna say it in my head from now on. I appreciate y'all, man. We're gonna go ahead and call it. Water got a dentist appointment at 3:30, so that ain't gonna affect nothing later on. So yes, rewatching the videos. That's the gym, Lil Hawk. Rewatching the videos. That's how you. Did I just hear something out there? I'm home by myself. Y'all better stop playing with me. Y'all know I'm paranoid. Hey, I'll see y'all tonight at 7:30 for the price action recap. Be safe, man. If you choose to trade today, be safe, man. It's FOMC. The market, this chop suey most of the time on FOMC, but be safe, man. If you're gonna trade today, I ain't gonna hold you. I ain't doing nothing, man. I ain't doing nothing. I might not even watch the market because I might be tempted to try to do something. Hey, I'll see y'all at 7:30, man. I'm stop running my mouth. I'm kind of hungry. Y'all take it easy, man. Gone.